The pearl is 2.5 millimeters. For the necklace pendant, I used a very special one for K birdcage. I made a picture of the model for you. This is a 14K necklace buckle. If you don't like my buckle, you can change it to your favorite. This is a 2.5 millimeters one for K gold pearl. A 0.25 millimeters steel wire. Next, we can start making it. First, put our birdcage pendant in, just like the video. Then put 3 little pearls on each side and embellish it. Then replace the pearl necklace. The rest is to repeat the replacement of the pearl and the pearl necklace.
From hair clips to jewelry fine, her hands weave magic one thread at a time. A symphony.
Okay, the necklace is done. Next, please look at the finished model display picture.